plaque buildup in the arteries can lead to serious health problems, like heart disease and stroke. But did you know that certain nutrients can help remove plaque and keep your arteries clear? One of the best nutrients for artery health is antioxidants, found abundantly in fruits and vegetables. Antioxidants help prevent plaque buildup by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the arteries. Omega-3 fatty acids are another essential nutrient for artery health. Found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, omega-3s help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels, which can help prevent plaque formation. Nuts are a heart-healthy snack that's rich in fiber, antioxidants, and unsaturated fats. Regularly consuming nuts has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and improved artery health. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit that's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve artery function and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Drinking green tea regularly may help prevent plaque buildup and improve overall heart health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can help remove plaque from your arteries and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Remember to eat a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, to support optimal artery health.